Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel Grace and Glam. So friends, today I am here with another interesting topic and very interesting facts. So let's go ahead and talk about the topic. Well, today I'm going to talk about World Post Day or World Post Office Day, because today is 9th of October and 9th of October marks the anniversary of Universal Postal Union, which was started in the year 1874 in Switzerland. And it was the start of the global communication revolution, introducing the ability to write a letter to others all over the world. Later, the World Post Day started formally in the year 1969. Since then, countries all over the world took part in celebrations to highlight the importance of the postal service. So many things happen on this day. And if you talk about India, well, India celebrates National Postal Day on 10th of October. That is a day after the World Post Day. It celebrates to commemorate the role played by postal service in India over 150 years. If we talk about the postal service in India, well, the postal service in India was actually set up by East India Company, and the East India Company had set up the first postal offices or post offices in the cities of Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. That is today's Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Now, since we are talking about India, so I cannot stop talking about very interesting and very glorifying facts about India, so which will definitely take you to surprise. So the first thing I want to say is that, do you know that India has the largest postal network in the whole world? Well, the world's highest post office is in India, which is in Sikkim in Himachal Pradesh. Well, India also has the only floating post office in the world, that is in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. And well, do you know that Mahatma Gandhi is the only person in the whole world to be honored with a stamp in over 43 countries? Well, that's a great honor, isn't it? And if we talk about certain postal services, so you would be very surprised to know that India is the only country that has a camel post service in Rajasthan. It has got a pigeon post service in Orissa, and it has got a dog post service at Siachen glaciers up in the Himalayas. I'm sure all these facts took you to surprise, and I'm sure that you also feel now very good about our country, isn't it? Whenever we have to post a mail or we have to courier a product, there is something particularly we have to mention, which is called the PIN code. Now, what is the idea of this PIN code? So let's decipher. So the PIN code in India is a 6-digit number, and in other places it is called, I guess it's called zip code in US or some other codes in other countries. So let's talk about the PIN code in India. So the PIN code is a 6-digit number, and it is the PIN code is otherwise known as postal index number. And let's decode it. So how does a PIN code is decoded? Well, the first digit in a PIN code talks about the region, the second digit talks about the sub-region, the third digit talks about the district, and the last 3 digits talk about the post offices under the area of this particular district. So this is how the PIN code is decoded. These days, because of modernization and digitalization, we all are just hooked up to other communications mode, such as telephonic conversations or mails or WhatsApp, and letter writing has become a thing of the past because life has become so fast. Well, it's quite rhyming, isn't it? You see, I'm a poet and I didn't know it. So letter writing is actually out of the way now, and we all are just into mailing and WhatsApping, and that's it, or calling at best. So this is how things have changed. But then when I think about my past, I can reminisce the beautiful memories. I cherish those memories when I used to write letters to my grandfather, and that's how writing letters became really fun, and it was a great channel of communication. So writing long and descriptive letters still remains as a beautiful memory with me as a kid. Let me know when was the last time you wrote a letter and to whom. Please mention in the comment section. I would look forward to reading it. And definitely I will keep coming back with such beautiful topics for you. And if at all you like this video, please make sure that you give it a big like or thumbs up, and make sure that you also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if at all you are listening, you have been listening to my video until then, I'm sure you find it interesting, so and you would like to watch such videos in future. So stay connected and let's meet again. So stay happy and stay communicating.